Date functions in Excel. In this lesson, we will go through some of the most useful date functions in Excel. You do not need to memorize these functions because you can always look up how to use them. What is important is that you know they exist and that you understand how to use them to extract meaningful information from dates when required. On the worksheet, which you can download from the lesson website, column A contains a list of dates formatted as short dates. Our aim is to break each date into its individual components so that we can work with the day, month, and year separately. Let us start by extracting the day number. In column B, we want to extract the day from the date in column A. Although you may use the guided insert function window by clicking on the FX button, in this exercise we will type the function directly into the cell so that you become more confident writing formulas yourself. In cell B2, type the equals sign followed by text and open a bracket. Click on cell A2, add a comma, and then type the format you want to apply inside inverted commas. If we type D as the format, Excel will return the day as a single digit where possible. So 03 will appear as 3. If we prefer the day to appear as 03 instead of 3, we use 2 Ds as the format. This forces Excel to display 2 digits. Remember that the format must always be written inside inverted commas. If you omit the inverted commas, the function will not work correctly. Once the formula is working in cell C2, you can use the autofill handle to copy the formula down the column and extract the day for the remaining dates. Now let us take this one step further. What if we want to extract the name of the day, such as Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? We can still use the text function, but this time we change the format code. In cell D2, enter the text function again, but instead of 2 Ds, type 3 Ds. Using 3 Ds returns the abbreviated day name, such as Monday or Tuesday. If you use 4 Ds, Excel will return the full day name, such as Monday. The same logic applies when extracting the month. In columns F to I, we repeat the same approach, but instead of using the letter D, we use the letter M. Using M returns the month number without a leading 0 for small numbers. Using 2 M's returns the month number in 2 digits. Using 3 M's returns the short month name, such as Jan or Feb. Using 4 M's returns the full month name, such as January or February. Extracting the year works in exactly the same way, but this time we use the letter Y. For example, 2 Ys returns a 2-digit year, while 4 Ys returns the full 4-digit year. As you can see, the system is quite logical. The letter D relates to day, M relates to month, and Y relates to year. Once you understand this pattern, working with dates in Excel becomes much more manageable and flexible. Another useful function when working with dates is the weekday function. This function converts a date into a number that represents the day of the week. For example, if a date falls on a Monday, Excel can return the number 1. If the day is Tuesday, Excel can return the number 2. This is particularly useful when analyzing patterns, such as how many transactions took place at the weekend or whether sales are higher at the beginning or the end of the week. The second argument of the function allows you to choose how the days of the week are numbered. Excel provides different numbering systems. For example, one option starts with Sunday as 1, while another starts with Monday as 1. In this exercise, we are required to choose the option where Monday is equal to 1. This means that Monday will return 1, Tuesday 2, Wednesday 3, and so on, until Sunday returns 7. In column M, you can now use the if function to check whether the date in column A falls on a weekday or at the weekend. Try to complete this task on your own. A small hint, column L will be very useful for this exercise. If you find this last task difficult, you may refer to the help file on the lesson website. However, as always, attempt to solve the problem yourself first.